Hello everyone, Steve Bertram from Flex Realty here. I'm just at my new listing at number 74-12560 Westside Road out in Coyote Crossing, and what a beautiful unit this is. I'm just standing out here on the deck. There's a great little shed out the back, and then this is the covered deck part. There is some even exposed area there that you can actually enjoy the sunshine if you like. And then over here you actually have a view of the mountains. A little cloudy today, but you could actually see right up the Westside Mountains there. Let's go have a look inside. Walking into the side entrance here, we've got a beautiful entrance area, a mudroom. With not much mud here though, it's absolutely spotless. Here's the laundry pair, and then room for a little freezer or some more storage in here. Over here into the main kitchen area, we've got this beautifully updated kitchen and a nice little sitting area over here. Going back this way, we've got a nice walk-in pantry over here. Just fantastic storage space. And take a look at this master. It's absolutely huge. It's bigger than you get in most houses. And it comes with a walk-in closet and a jetted tub shower there. So you can actually have a nice soak at night if you like. Going back this way, there's a really nice floor plan. The living room is absolutely mammoth and lots of natural light picture windows everywhere so you can see outside. Biggest TV I've ever seen sitting there. There's obviously a lot of room for that sort of stuff. And then over here, you've got a fantastic second bedroom and then a full bathroom here with a tub shower. And then you've got this third bedroom here. So, wow, what a great offering. And it's one of those places where you've got room for family, you got room for friends. It's family friendly and you can have pets in here as long as they're friendly breed and approved. Book yourself a showing to see this unit. I'm at number 74-12560 in Coyote Crossing. We'd love to see you one day. Thanks and have a great day.